Hello, welcome to a new style of video, my classes. Today we're going to be talking about more so mixing disabilities and cooking, the intro to my classes. So, to begin, what are disabilities? Disabilities are classified as anything that is a hindrance to your day-to-day life, and that can include many different things, and has been a subject of debate over the years. Stuff such as blindness and deafness are very clearly disabilities. Paralysis, disability. Autism and ADHD. It depends on the severity, but I classify it all as disabilities because it does change the way that you live. Why is the food service so ableistic? The food service or food industry, is meant to serve anyone regardless of needs the food and nutrients that they need. And a lot of times, it doesn't want to do that, or the people in it don't want to do it. They don't care, more so. Or more so, they're not educated on how to do it. Their superiors don't tell them these things on how to serve or how to treat those with disabilities or special needs in regards to food. They know allergies and allergens, but even then, they don't fully adhere to that sometimes. And food is important. Food is the building block of how we function. It gives us our energy, and it makes it so that we can function properly in our day-to-day life. Now, we can, of course, cook our own food, or we can go out. And a lot of us do like to go out, especially here in America, where almost every person here in America goes out to eat at least once a week, if not more. And the reason behind that is not everyone knows how to cook, and those that do, well, or more so those that don't, or don't know how to, or have never been taught, or have been told that they can't. That is the main issue. Being told you can't do something is inherently wrong, because you're being told by someone that doesn't know your fullest abilities or doesn't know you. You as a person, regardless of ability, can do whatever your body doesn't limit. And while you have limits, as in the term disability, that doesn't mean that you can't break those limits, or at least try. And that can mean many different things. Having some help in the kitchen, or whatever, what have you. And that is my goal for these classes, to teach the importance of food service and the importance of cooking, and to teach those with special needs or disabilities how to cook, and those that don't have disabilities, how to treat those with them properly, and how to properly serve them in the food industry. That is the main importance of this channel and of these videos, as having a disability isn't easy. I am hard of hearing, left ear, and will probably eventually go completely deaf in my left ear, if not mostly. And I have other things that affect my life. And I love cooking. But I'm not that good at cooking. But I know a lot about cooking. My motor skills aren't as good as they probably could be, even though I have full function of my hands and arms. But to cook is difficult, and I wish I had more people to teach me how to do it properly and successfully than I have. Like, I know a lot about cooking. I have all the information that I need to cook a meal, but the execution isn't as good as it probably can be. So, while my cooking skills aren't good, I admit it, I have the knowledge of how to cook, and I can spread that while also growing my own culinary abilities to be able to include that in the aspect. cooking is such a passion for me. And, well, it can be for so many others. Science is such a cool thing, and cooking is just science. But it's science you can touch, it's science that you can feel, it's science that the everyday person can enjoy without going to school. Now, you can, but you don't have to. You don't have to go to culinary school to be good with food. You don't have to go to online classes to learn how to cut an avocado or an onion, but you can. And that is my purpose. I want to make these videos free. But for some of the more advanced teachings, for those of you that want a little bit more of a deep dive, there will be a paywall. But the main YouTube content that you're watching right now will be completely free. And it's going to be that way. And it won't ever stop that. Just because there might be some more advanced stuff. Some stuff that I might put more time and effort into doing doesn't mean that this will stop. I want to be able to inform and to teach about the culinary arts, about the knowledge of cooking and service to those with special needs or disabilities. And I want you all to join me on that journey. That being said, thank you for watching. And keep cooking and learning.